Hey there, tennis enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Choice, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're covering the top 5 tennis rackets perfect for beginners and recreational players. I've done all the research, so you don't have to. Each racket offers incredible value and performance. I'll drop the links in the description where you can check out current pricing. Starting at number 5, we have the Wilson Tour Slam. Wilson's volcanic frame technology delivers enhanced power and stability you can feel with every swing. The power strings create explosive power, while the air-light alloy construction gives you that perfect balance between lightweight maneuverability and durability. The stop shock pads significantly reduce vibrations, so your hands won't go numb during long sessions. Wilson has packed professional-level features into a recreational-friendly package at an amazing price point. Check the link below for current deals. Number 4 is the BatZoom racket, perfect for beginners. The ultra-lightweight 280-gram carbon composite design means you can practice for hours without arm fatigue. The oversized 105 square inch head creates a massive sweet spot that's incredibly forgiving on off-center hits. The ergonomic grip reduces vibration by 30%, preventing tennis elbow. Plus, you get to choose between vibrant neon pink or a stunning sun-activated bronze to gold gradient finish that changes color outdoors. The reinforced frame handles any court surface beautifully. At number 3 is the Senston racket with aerospace-grade aluminum construction and seamless one-piece design. This precision-engineered 280-gram racket offers perfect balance between maneuverability and power transfer while reducing arm fatigue. The 100 square inch head with 22 millimeter straight beam provides an expanded sweet spot for accuracy and control. It comes complete with high-tech overgrip onto professional vibration dampener. And our number 2 spot goes to the HXE racket, featuring premium T700 carbon fiber construction, the same material used in aerospace applications. At just 260 grams, this incredibly responsive racket offers strength, impact resistance, and lightweight stability. The oval frame design optimizes drag reduction and stiffness for improved performance. The wide 100 square inch head provides multiple sweet spots for increased control, while the pre-strung 16x19 pattern minimizes breakage risk, includes tennis ball, premium bag, and overgrip for immediate play. Taking our number 1 spot is the OGEENIER 27-inch racket, the ultimate value package. This aluminum one-piece construction balances strength, durability, and vibration damping perfectly. What makes this special is the complete set: racket, grip, vibration dampener, 3 tennis balls, and portable carry bag. Everything needed right out of the box. The lightweight 280-gram design eliminates arm fatigue, while pre-strung high-performance strings deliver consistent hitting speeds, suitable for all skill levels from beginners to recreational players. This complete starter kit offers incredible value that you won't find elsewhere. There you have it, the top 5 tennis rackets that will elevate your game without breaking the bank. From Wilson's professional features to OGEENIER's complete value package, each racket brings something special to the court. The best racket is the one that feels right for your playing style and skill level. I've included direct links to all these rackets in the description where you can check current pricing and make your purchase with confidence. If this video helped you make a smarter choice, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Choice, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment letting me know which racket caught your eye. Until next time, keep making smart choices, and I'll see you on the courts. Thanks for watching Smart Choice.